Good morning, YouTube. My name is Ali, and on this channel, we talk about making money online. If this is something you're interested in, click that subscribe button and continue on watching. I want to say one thing. Let other people live the life of mediocrity, but you don't have to do that. You can dream big, and you can live a beautiful, prosperous life. You can live the life of abundance. There's so much resources around you. There's so much money around you. There's so much of everything around you. If you want to live the life of abundance and not scarcity, and change your life financially for you, for your family, for your children, for their future, click the link below and get started today. 100% free training that's going to put money in your pocket. It costs you $0. Wish you the best luck. Don't forget, the link is below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, take the bell icon, and share this video if you got any value out of it. My name's Ali, and I love you guys, and best of luck.